In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove background noise from microphone on Windows 10 and 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To remove background noise from your microphone, at the beginning you have to click on the Windows key and search for settings. Once you come to the settings page, then click on system and choose sound. Now you have to scroll down and find more sound setting and click on it. Now you have to click on recording tab and find the best microphone possible and make it default. Let's think, if this is your best microphone, then you have to right click on it and click on set as default device. After select your default microphone, you have to double click on it, then this page will open. Now you have to click on level and choose between 80 to 85. Now click on advanced and click on this drop down box. Now you have to choose this one channel 24-bit 48K Hz studio quality. Lastly, click on OK button and then click on OK. By following this simple method, you can easily remove background noise from a microphone on Windows 10 and 11.